Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this LYRIFANE electric solar panel cleaning kit. You see, that's a cool, nice extension for cleaning our panels on the rooftop. 6.2 meter water fed extendable window cleaning pole with 5-stage telescopic pour. 2-speed window cleaning brush for conservatory roof windows and the PV system. Of course, it's not for your Microsoft Windows system. Think about that. It's not for a computer. It is for a window which is in your walls, for example. This device comes with 2-speed electrical engine, motor, and you can have this brush for separate traditional cleaning methods. Because this solar panel cleaning kit features a 2-gear electric solar panel cleaning brush powered by a high-performance 2000 mAh battery. This delivering robust 120 or in motor number 2, 180 rounds per minute torque to effortlessly remove the subborn bird droppings, dirt, and maybe snow in the wintertime. This is cutting our cleaning time in half. With a one-touch start and a selectable speeds with only one button, comes this solar panel cleaning brush saves us time and effort, and is eliminating manual scrubbing and boosting the efficiency. And 6.2 meter ultra long extendable window cleaning pole, which is easy to reach the high sports. It's crafted from aviation grade aluminium. Where comes this extendable window cleaning pole. This is adjusted from 1.85 meter to 6.2 meter and locks securely at any length, even from the ground. The long window cleaning pole and the telescopic window cleaning poles lets the clean solar panels easy peasy. And conservatory roofs, terrace awnings, and other hard to reach areas without a ladder. This avoiding the danger of climbing, especially on slippery surface. And integrated water pipe interface. Because the water-fed extendable window cleaning pole with a hose attachment, this guarantees an uninterrupted flow without the constant refills. Thanks to that window cleaning water-fed pole design, the water streams continuously to every corner of our panels, while the attachable mini force on our hose lets us easy control on and off and pressure for the presses effective cleaning using the water-fed window cleaning equipment. And professional grade brush design. Built from durable, scratch-resistant materials, this telescopic cleaning brush and window cleaning brush power through the touch of the grime while protecting the solar panels, the glass, and the painted surfaces. The dance of 20 centimeter water head on the telescopic brush covers more area for faster cleaning. This restoring the peak performance to our photovoltaic system. And a wide range applications. Because this water-fed window cleaning equipment with telescopic brush is perfect as a window washing kit, window cleaning kit, or even as a long-reach window cleaning equipment for high windows, hose exteriors, photovoltaic systems, terrace roofs, and conservatory roofs, cleaning brush duties in sunrooms. Its rugged, wireless design also excels as a solar panel cleaning kit for RV and truck cleaning brush, delivering unbeatable value for daily maintenance. Of course, as you can see, we have an 1/2 inch and a 3/4 faucet. We use the quick connector directly. For other faucet with threaded ring, we should use the universal joint. That means, what we need to connect this to our water supply is included. We have dual speed cleaning. We have a 2000 milliampere hour battery. We can go from 1.47 up to 20.34 feet extendable pole. And we have USB-C and fast and portable charging possibility. We can have 100 rounds per minute and nearly 180 rounds per minute. Deep cleaning, baby. We have a safe and hard-wise cleaning, man. No ladder, no drop risk. So that's cool. And you can make 20 feet, 16.4 feet, 12.8 feet, 9 feet, and 6 feet. All is possible. And between that, easy peasy cleaning with that, with the Lyra Fine electric solar panel cleaning kit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.
Sunt.